students, today we shall talk about data compression technique. What is data compression technique? That we are having big files. We are having big files and how we can reduce the size of the file. Is it correct? So data compression. Is it correct? One person, if you can see this screen, type the number on the screen. One person only. Type the number on the screen. Okay, fine. Now, when there is a problem with sound or any other problem, immediately inform me. अभी ठीक है. This technique will be used in graphical files in the pictures. Large amount of the data on those pictures is zero. And large number of zeros are there. Is it correct? Then we shall see the data compression technique. Let us see what is this method. We make blocks. Of size, let us take n. And as I have told you that there are large number of the zeros in the file. So if the graphical file basically means pictures, photographs, images. Is it correct? I mean that. Now, in this large amount of the data is zero. Now, we make blocks of size n. As I was telling, that when large number of the zeros are there, then maybe that the block is zero. Block is completely zero. It is put at zero. Block is not completely zero. Then we put it as a 1 followed by block. Let us see how we shall do the data compression. Suppose our file is 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0. So this is our file. Okay, I am repeating it. We have got a file in which large number of the zeros are there, and we want to reduce the size of the file. What is the method? We make the block of certain size. If the entire block is zero, then only one bit is required. Otherwise, we shall type 1 followed by the block. Let us see. We say no, zeros are needed in the file. Zeros are needed in the file. Is it correct? Okay, now let us see what is to be done. Blocking. Zeros are needed. Then we shall see the method of uncompression. Suppose n is 4. We shall come to know. We shall come to know. Suppose n is equal to 4. Now, this 1 0 0 1 is a block which is not fully 0. So, this will be transformed to 1 1 0 0 1. If a block is not fully 0, we shall put 1 in front of it. Is it correct? So first bit will signify whether it is fully 0 or not. How this 0 0 0 0 will be done? This will be transformed to only 0 because the block is fully 0. This will be transformed to block is not fully 0 followed by 0 0 1 1. Again the next 0 0 0 0 are there which will be transformed to 0. So now 0 1 1 0, this will be transformed to 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 0. That is correct. Because you see, if the first bit of the block is 0, we cannot know whether this 0 is for the complete block 0 or only one bit 0. Is this correct to you? Yes. So you see how this changes. This will become 1, 1 0 0 1. This will be fully 0. This will be 1 0 0 1 1. This will be fully 0. This will be fully 0. This will become 1 followed by 0 1 1 0. This will also become 1 followed by 0 1 0 0. You see, similar method can be used. But suppose a block is neither fully 0 nor fully 1, then what will happen, Nilanjan? Is it correct? Fully 0 block can be replaced by 0. Fully one block can be replaced by 1. But what happens if a block is neither fully 0 nor fully 1, Nilanjan? So we shall be doing this. No, data loss will never happen. Harshvardhan, data loss will never happen. That is correct. You are fully correct. Anirudh is fully correct. If none of the block is 0 block, then every time the length will increase by 1. Yes. Prabhat, you are fully also correct. Prabhat is also correct. No, block size will change to 5. Is it correct? No, I should not say block size will change to 5. I should say the data size will change to 5. So, in the process of compression, expansion can also take place. Is it correct? It is not a guarantee that every time compression will be there. Expansion can also take place. Block size I have taken arbitrarily other. I have arbitrarily taken block size. Is it correct? Yes. What else is your doubt? So we have got this. Is this method clear? Any doubt? So this is my code. Code means compressed code. Is it correct? This is my compressed code. Now, let compressed code is following. Part is 5. One 0 1 1 0 0 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0. Tell me what is file. Compressed code is following. Tell me what is file. Type it. As Harshvardhan has told, data loss will take place. It is not correct. Nilanjan is wrong. Nilanjan is wrong. Let us see this. Now, method. First bit is 1. So we replace put comma here. First bit is 0. So we again put comma here. First bit is 0. So we again put comma here. First bit is 1. So after next 4 we put comma. Then it is 0. Then first bit is 1. So after first bit is 1. So we get this. So let us see what do we get. This is 0110. This 0 is 0000. This 0 is also 0000. This 1 is 0111. This 0 is 0000. This 1 is 1111. This is 1000. This is 0, 0, 0, 0. It is not possible for me to check all the things 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Because it seems that you are wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Because it seems that you are wrong. Have you understood this? Or any doubt? Any doubt? Ask doubt. Otherwise, we are going on another scheme. You see, when large number of the blocks are, large number of the zeros are there, then a block may be fully zero. But not once for all one. Yes. This is true for images. This is true for pictures. Is it correct? Yes. This is true for pictures. Is this all right to you? Any doubt? Now, block may be completely zero. Block is as single one. Single one. Block is not completely zero. There are other methods, Suman. There are the methods of study bits, which I don't want to cover now. Is it correct? That will be taught as a higher level. Is it okay? Yes. That we shall cover at the higher level. Block is not completely, but it is a good question. Block is not completely zero. Then 1 0 followed by address. Block is not, block has single one. Block has single one. And it is 1 0 followed by address. Block is has more than one. Block has two or more ones. Then it is 1 1 followed by block. Is it correct? We shall see further. Suppose our file is this 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 0. I will tell you. I will tell you. Now, let us make a block for this. No, Asim, it is not clear to me what are you writing. Okay, maybe that we can discuss over the mail. For n blocks of size m each, data compression is guaranteed if 3m0 minus what is m0 m1. Now, these shall make a block size. Let us make, is my voice all right now? Is my voice all right? Okay. Now, whether some background noise is there, now it is perfect. Yes. Now, what is 0100? 0100 is 10. And what is address? You see, at what location there is 1? 01 address is 01. So it becomes 1001. Address of 1 only, yes. Address of 1 only. Is it correct? Now, the what is 0000? It is a full block 0, so it is 0. What is 0110? It has two ones. So this is 11 followed by 0110. What is this? 1000. This is 10. And what is address? Address is 00. So this becomes this. Is it correct? No. Anirudh. For this we shall write 10. Why are you writing 001? Wrong, Anirudh. It should be 1010. 1010, yes. Niranjan is correct. Because you see, block size is 4. So the address will be in 2 bits only. Is it correct? I will repeat it once more. You see, A, B, C, D. A is 00, D is 01, C is 10, and D is 11. Do you agree? That is correct. Address can be only this much. Any doubt? Okay. Can you write this? Can you write what is 0001? What is the address of 1? What is the address of 1? Write it. That is correct. Correct. Address of 1 is 11. So this becomes 1011. Right. Now let us further proceed. Let compressed file is 10110011. Is it correct? What is data? Try to make a data. You see, Tushar, we have taken a block size 4. Normally, block size is not 4. Block size is 1024. In this case, data compression takes place. Is it correct? Normally block size is not 4. It is big block size is there. Let the block size be 8, then data compression will take place. Okay, fine. Let us see why it is invalid. Let us see why it is invalid. Yes. One zero. 10 means address. This 0 means this 10 means address. This 11 means this. This means this. That is correct. Fully correct. Yes. That is correct. I made a mistake. That is correct. Because this is invalid. Okay. This is invalid. You are fully correct. Is it correct? Yes. Now, we shall further proceed. Suppose this would not have been the case. 1, 1. Suppose this would have been 1, 1. In that case, what would have been the case? Tell me. 1011 is what? 1011 is 0. Third location there is 1. This 0 is 0, 0, 0, 0. At second location there is 1. And 1, 1. And is this all right to you? Fine. This is one method of data compression. Okay. Now, any doubt related with this? That is correct. Now, let us further proceed. Any doubt? There is another method of halving number of zeros. Is it correct? Any doubt related with above? Let us see what is done. 00 is replaced by a followed by TA or BD. Is it correct? n ones are replaced by n plus 1. Yes, this is another scheme. Now we are talking about another scheme. Another scheme. 0, 0 is replaced by A followed by BA, okay, or BB. We shall see to it. We shall see to it. No, it will, because you see, what will happen in case of 8 zeros? Just wait. What are A and B are? A and B are another method. A and B are another letters. Now, let us see this. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. How many zeros are there? Followed by 1, 1, 1. Followed by 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Followed by 1, 1. 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. Let us see. What we shall do in this case? 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 is double 0 is A. This double 0 is also A. Double 0, double 0, double 0, followed by single 0. So this is A, and we have got a single 0. So it will be BA. 1, 1, 1 is n ones are replaced by n plus n minus 1 each. 1, 1, 1 is B. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. A followed by BA. 1, 1 is B. 1, 1 is B. 0, 0 is 0, 0, comma. So this becomes A, B, B. 1, 1, 1 is B, B. Single 0 is. So what we get? We get A, B, 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 A, B, then B, then A, B, B, then B, B, then B. Is this all right to you? Is it clear to you? Now, let us see. We have got this. So this will become BB just A 111 ABB followed by BB followed by AB. Okay, I will tell you. You see, this is what. There are 7 zeros. So group of 2 zeros are made and single zero remains. So we get, is it correct? Now, let us see this. Let us see this. Yes, yes, yes. Fully correct. 111 is BB. Now, in this way we proceed. 50 is 00, comma 00, comma. It is not clear to me. What are you telling? What is your doubt? 00 is 00. It is A followed by BB. What is your doubt? You tell me now. What is your doubt? Ask your doubt. Ask your doubt. That is correct. Prabhat is correct. Prabhat is correct. Prabhat is correct. You see, if it is BA, it can be 0 or you see 1 1. Yes, correct. You see, it cannot be 1 1 0 0. Reason is this. Reason is this that after that something BB should also come which is not coming. Okay, Subham's question is what? Yes, fully correct. So, you are correct. So, there are some problems into this. And there are methods to solve such problem. There are methods to solve such problem. Is it correct? Okay, there are methods. Now, we come to the next scheme. We can discuss it on the mail. Scheme is based upon the halving. But how other things are handled, we can discuss it over the mail. Okay. Now we come. No, We will not like to lose any data. We will not like to lose any data. We will like to retain the data. Is it correct? Yes. We would like to retain the data. So, let me tell you the method. Let me tell you the method. Okay, method. Is it correct? You see, 0, 0, 0, 0 is A, B, B. How? Because this double zero is A and this double zero is also A. Is it correct? So it becomes A, B, B. Yes, fully correct. Let us see this scheme. In this scheme, tell me what is the half. N zeros are replaced by n by 2 age upper bound, followed by BA or BB. Is it correct? Now, let us see what is this. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 5 zeros are there. So this will become A, followed by BA. And suppose there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 zeros are there. So this will become A, followed by BB. And suppose there are 5 zeros. A, B, A. Is there any doubt? Single one will be nothing. Single one will be nothing. Is it correct? Yes. No. It is not clear to me, Gyan, what are you telling? No, you see, for the time, we can also do it, but for the time being, I don't want to complicate it. You see, upper bound. We are talking in terms of upper bound, Gyan, not the lower bound. We are talking in terms of the upper bound, not the lower bound. Is it correct? Yes. Ceiling. What is the problem now? Ask question now. That is correct. Slightly different. Because in that scheme, single zero was not codable. Reason is this. This BA tells that the number of zeros are odd. BA tells that the number of the zeros are odd. And BB tells that number of the zeros are even. Is it correct? Yes. Yes. For the time being, assume that in the beginning, single one is not there. In the beginning, single one is not there, assume it. Is it correct? Yes. Any other problem? Any other problem? Is it correct? Yes. Any other problem? Any time when we cannot decode it. There are how many zeros are there? 5 zeros are there. 5 zeros. 5 zeros is what? 5 by 2 upper bound is 3. Is 3. So we shall get A. 5 is odd. So it is BA. So it becomes BA. No, it is wrong. No, it is not 5 by 2 plus. It is 5 plus 1 by 2. It is not 5 by 2 plus 1. Okay, let us see this. How to decode? How to code? 0 0 1 0 0 1. This becomes this. 0 0 is what? 0 0 is 1A followed by BA. 1 is nil. Now, so this will become ABA. ABA. It will become ABA. This is our code. Let us see how do we decode it. Yes, that is correct. Now, how to decode it? We shall find A. Afterwards, we shall see 2 letters, which is BB. Afterwards, we shall again find A. And afterwards, we shall again see 2 letters. What is the problem? So this A is 0 0 or 0. This A is 0 0 or 0, but because of the ABB, it becomes 0 0. And there is nothing afterwards. So there will become single one will come. Because there is nothing is afterwards. No, single one is not a problem. How single one is problem? Single one is not a problem. How? Tell me how. Tell me how. Any doubt now? That is correct. Sai Krishna has written, yes, last one is lost. Fine. Assuming that there is no one at the last also. How it is lost? It is not lost. Yes, assuming that there is no ones in the beginning and at the last. Is it correct? Because you see here, if as soon as after BB A will come, it will give you guarantee that no one is there. If there would have been anyone, then after BB also something would have come. Is it correct? Yes. Okay, let us see this. 0 0 1 0 0. What is 0 0? 0 0 is A, BB. And what is 1? 1 is nil. So this will become ABB, ABB, ABB double 0. Afterwards, any B should have come, then it would have been 2 ones. No problem. Middle one is not lost. You see, this is what. Tell me what is this? A, B, B is what? Tell me what is this, Niranjan? This is like this. A, B, followed by A, B. Is it correct? That is correct. Gyan is fully correct. Then what? Yes, fully correct. So this will become 7 zeros. No, not Dipanka. It is 7 zeros, not 9. 7 zeros. This becomes single one. This will become 6 0. Is it correct? That is correct. Any problem now? Any problem? Any problem? Tell me where this scheme can fail. When can it fail? Yes. Suppose in the beginning or last there is no one. Assuming beginning and the last there is no one. No ones in the beginning or at last. Is it correct? Yes. But how we can code it? You see, you have written 6 zeros followed by another 6 zeros. We shall code it at 12 zeros. You want the decoding of this. This will be ABB, NB, then ABB, then B. ABB is 0 0. This B is 1 1. This ABB is 0 0. This B is 1 1. Is it correct? Yes. What is the problem? What is the problem? Ask your doubts. Any doubt now? Any doubt? Ask your doubts. And then you also tell me when the makeup test can be taken. Is it correct? Yes. DABB. Technically speaking, this will be double one. And ABB will be what? ABB will be what? 0 0. Any problem? My class is over. How 0 triple 1 is possible? Let us see. We shall see to it. How 0 triple 1 is possible? No, 0 triple 1 is not. 0 triple 1 is not possible. Class is over. And we can have your makeup test you plan. And class is over. Discussion can be done. Okay. Let us see this. 0, 1, 1, 1. First 0 is A, followed by BB. This is also BB. And what's the problem? It is not clear. ABA is 0. Fully correct. ABA is 0. What is your doubt?